Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Coffee Shop.
Good morning.
You look a little tired today.
Yes, I woke up very early this morning.
Oh, really?
Yes, I had an online meeting before breakfast.
That sounds stressful.
A little, but now I just want some good coffee.
Coffee always helps.
That is true.
What would you like today?
I want one hot coffee and one cheese sandwich.
Small coffee or large coffee?
Large coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, one chocolate cookie, too.
Great choice. Our cookies are fresh today.
Nice. I love chocolate cookies.
Many people do.
I can understand why.
Please wait a few minutes.
No problem.
You can sit near the window if you want.
Great idea. I like that table.
The morning sunlight is very nice there.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
I will bring your order soon.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This place always feels relaxing.
Here is your coffee and sandwich.
Thank you. Everything smells very good.
Thank you very much.
This coffee shop is very nice and clean.
We try our best every day.
I come here many times after work.
Oh, really? I think I remember you now.
Yes, I usually sit near the window.
Yes, now I remember.
Your coffee is always fresh.
That is nice to hear.
The music here is also very calm.
My manager likes soft music in the morning.
It makes people feel comfortable.
I think so too.
Some coffee shops are too loud.
Yes, then people cannot relax.
Exactly.
We want customers to feel at home here.
I think you're doing a great job.
Thank you, Jackson.
You remembered my name.
I remember friendly customers.
That is nice to hear.
Do you work in an office nearby?
Yes, my office is 2 streets from here.
Oh, that is close.
Yes, I usually walk to work.
Walking in the morning is healthy.
It also helps me wake up.
Today is a little busy here.
Yes, many people are coming in.
Mornings are always busy for us.
I can see that.
Sometimes we sell more than 100 coffees before noon.
Wow, that is a lot of coffee.
Yes, people really need energy in the morning.
I understand them completely.
Coffee is like morning fuel.
That is the perfect word for it.
Are you going to work now?
Yes, but first I want to relax a little.
Good idea. Morning can be stressful.
Very true. I had a long meeting early today.
Oh no, meetings make me tired too.
Same here.
Was the meeting important?
Yes, we talked about a new project.
That sounds exciting.
A little exciting and a little scary too.
Why scary?
Because I have many new responsibilities now.
I understand. New work can feel difficult at first.
Yes, I want to do a good job.
I think you will do great.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Confidence is important.
I am still learning that.
Everyone learns step by step.
You give very good advice.
Thank you.
This sandwich is delicious.
I am happy you like it.
The bread feels very fresh.
We bake bread every morning.
Really? That is amazing.
Yes, fresh food makes customers happy.
I agree. I can taste the difference.
Would you like some water too?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You are very polite.
My parents always taught me good manners.
That is wonderful.
They always said respect is important.
I completely agree with that.
Good service also deserves respect.
Thank you for saying that.
Many workers are not appreciated enough.
Did you enjoy the sandwich?
Yes, it was delicious.
I am happy to hear that.
The cookie was also very good.
Chocolate cookies are our best-selling dessert.
I understand why now.
Maybe next time you will order 2 cookies.
Maybe I will.
Can I get you anything else?
No, thank you. I am full now.
Can I bring the bill?
Yes, please.
The total is $8.
Okay, let me get my wallet.
Sure.
Hmm.
Is everything okay?
Wait a second.
Did you lose something?
Oh no.
What happened?
I think I forgot my wallet at home.
Really?
Yes, I cannot find it in my bag.
Maybe it is in your jacket pocket.
No, I checked already.
Are you sure?
Yes, I remember putting it on my kitchen table.
Oh no.
I cannot believe this happened today.
Don't worry, it happens sometimes.
I feel so embarrassed.
It is okay. Please relax.
I usually never forget my wallet.
Today must be a busy day for you.
Yes, my mind is everywhere today.
Do you have money on your phone?
No, my phone battery is dead too.
Oh, wow. That is bad luck.
Yes, very bad luck today.
Did you forget to charge your phone?
Yes, I fell asleep last night before charging it.
Sounds like you need more rest.
I think you are right.
You work too hard.
Maybe a little.
Everyone needs time to relax.
I always forget that.
It is okay. You can pay tomorrow.
Really?
Yes, I trust you.
Thank you so much. That is very kind.
No problem at all.
Most places would not do that.
We know our regular customers.
Still, I really appreciate it.
You are always polite and respectful here.
Thank you for trusting me.
I know you will come back.
Of course, I will come tomorrow morning and pay.
Sounds good.
I feel much better now.
Good. I did not want you to feel stressed.
You saved my morning today.
I'm happy to help.
Next time, coffee is on me.
That sounds nice.
Maybe I will also buy 2 cookies next time.
Great idea.
Thank you again for understanding.
You're welcome. Have a good day at work.
You too. I hope the coffee shop stays busy today.
Thank you. I hope your meeting goes well too.
Thanks. I feel more confident now.
That is good to hear.
See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow, Jackson.
Bye, Lily.